Don't you think office jobs can become exhausting? The routine, the schedules. Everything can become an overwhelming vicious cycle. Let's be honest. Yes, it helps you pay off debt, but at what cost? Just thinking about it drains your energy. That's why the key is to get a job you love, at least for now, so that you never have to work in life. And there's nothing better than turning your hobbies and the activities you love into a way to earn money that saves you from these boring jobs. There are many options that you could choose, so click the subscribe button and stay tuned to the video to find out how you can quit that 9-to-5 trap at the drop of a hat. Idea number 1. Online tutoring. It sounds cute, it sounds simple, and the best part of it all is that it is just that, cute and simple. Online tutoring has become one of the most recurrent jobs nowadays and one of the most sought after jobs out there. You may ask yourself, why is that? Well, in this job you decide how you provide your tutoring. When, how often, the topics, and pretty much everything else. You have a free schedule that will allow you to work the hours you want. In addition, teaching will always be synonymous with growth. And if that wasn't enough, after the pandemic, virtual life took force, so most people get remote jobs that they can easily run from the comfort of their homes. You can tutor and earn money while you have your slippers on. Now, talking about money, the best part of this job is not only its flexible schedule, nor its comfort, but the fact that it gives you the possibility to charge for your time and knowledge whatever amount you consider fair. Only you know your own value. Idea number 2. Photography. Immortalizing beautiful moments has never been so profitable. Now with a decent camera you can make more than decent money just by taking pictures. You can exploit that talent and give life to images, not only photographing people, but also expanding your niche and photographing events, pets, landscapes. In short, the sky's the limit. Remember that people will not pay you for the pictures, but the time and energy they will save if you do it for them. That's how business works. Idea number 3. Sharing your car. If you got your driver's license last week, just like you always talked about, you can give it an incredible use at the same time you earn money working for digital transportation platforms like Uber. Taxis and buses are already part of the last century. You can give rides to strangers, and the best thing is that you accept or reject the fares. The decision is yours. You also set your own schedule. Give it a go and see if it's something you can do in your spare time. In the worst case scenario, you just quit and then try something more fitting. Idea number 4. Food delivery. Now, if you don't have a car, getting money won't be a problem. Run to your garage and dust off that old bike your grandmother gave you years ago. Working as a grocery delivery man will bring you money in a short time whilst feeling productive and full of energy. The more home deliveries you do, the more money you will have. Of course, besides strengthening those calves. Idea number 5. And to show off those legs. Personal trainers, on the other hand, besides having incredible muscles, can use all that experience and knowledge to teach other people how to take care of themselves and their bodies. If you decide to become a personal trainer and get paid for it, not only will your body look good, your wallet will also be quite attractive. Just don't forget to invest in a fitness certificate so you can increase your income even more and find better clients. Idea number 6. Cars. Admiring cars is a passion, but this passion also requires attention to detail and being careful. That's why if motor vehicles are your thing, you can take advantage of a job where you will be interacting with these powerful machines, because doing a car washing and auto detailing job of the cars, even if it seems like an easy job, can bring a lot of money with it. You know what they say, the more expensive the toy, the more expensive it will be to take care of it. Idea number 7. Event planning. If partying and enjoying life like a carnival is your thing, being a party planner will make your upbeat attitude and your desire to dance and sing not only your best weapons to make you happy, but your pocket as well. And there is nothing more satisfying than a happy face and a happy pocket. Idea number 8. Dog walker. If you love animals, enjoy spending time with them, and you are just more of a dog person, this is the ideal job for you. A dog walker not only makes those little fur balls happy while taking a walk, but also strengthens your bonds with these loyal and faithful living beings. Everyone knows dogs are man's best friend. Idea number 9. Freelancer. What used to be known as self-employed work now has a big name, and not only a big name but a big impact as well. Working as a freelancer and offering your services to companies or other people doing what you are passionate about and what you are an expert in can fill your bags with bills. Many brave people have taken the risk and have discovered that being a freelancer is the step you need to take to both work and financial independence. Creativity and experience go hand in hand, and you lead them both to success. Idea number 10. Cooking. It will no longer be a problem to be caught with your hands in the cookie jar, because just by cooking or baking or any culinary task you could earn a lot of money. You could even have your own online restaurant with home delivery service, and so you can save money on rent, taxes, and hundreds of other charges that instead of squeezing your pocket will make you flood with bucks. Idea number 11. Blogger. So none of these ideas sound interesting to you, right? Are you more of a tech person? So what would you say if you were told that being a blogger could pay you up to 2,000 big ones? With this job you can amass a fortune, and all you have to do is write blogs for websites of public interest or your own interests. Idea number 12. Social media manager. Just as was mentioned a moment ago, the pandemic turned virtuality into a determinant factor for everyday life. Now everyone is interconnected and it no longer matters what your project in real life is but also your virtual life. That's why becoming a social media and digital operations manager can make your income go up and up, simply by promoting and positioning brands and their benefits digitally, because 99% of existing businesses right now require social media presence. Idea number 13. E-commerce. If you are good with sales, there is also a good place for you in this video, as well as the place where there is the button to subscribe to this channel and not miss any opportunity to know the best ways to make money. Online commerce has escalated to a point where nowadays it is something crucial. You can be a digital marketer and exploit all your skills in sales as you dive into the online market and get more and more customers. You can sell almost anything as there is always a need for a new product, and if there is no such thing, create it yourself. These were just a few ways to get extra money so you can quit that job with a strict schedule, and you can take the lead of your work life as you please. Remember that it is you who set the goal. Now, these life hacks are not something they teach in school these days. That's why this video about those other highly important skills that you can't learn in school was made just for you. Check it out by clicking right here.